Hey, what's going on, Troy? I'm Mountain Man Treasure here, and I've got a box to unbox.
Mountain Man.
Treasures.
Yeah, so I got a box from the man himself. Boop. No, not that guy. Harry Tornado. Yeah, we got a mystery box from Josh. Let's dig into it. Let's see what we got. Okay, guys, I have cut open the box, but we haven't gotten into it. We haven't pulled anything out. So you will see it as I see it. I'll have to go back through and put comps up around over here somewhere because I'm not going to know on a lot of this stuff until we look it up. That's what we do, right? Right on the top here, we've got a One Bayesian. I don't know what that is, but it's a kitchen knife set, and knives tend to be pretty good. I bet this is... Look at that, yeah. It's an Amazon return. I don't know, 20 bucks maybe on that. We'll look it up. We've got Lunker Bass Fishing. Looks like, are we missing? We might be missing the screw ends to that, or maybe they're in the box somewhere. I'm going to guess it's got little ends on it, or it's supposed to. These little handheld fishing games. Oh, look at that. It works. Okay. So we just have to find, I think, the handles for the reel. So we got a little fishing game. These tend to go, I've never sold this one, but I've sold similar. 10, 15 bucks plus shipping. So that's good. This right here, I know what this is. Yeah, Tech Mat, Ultra Gun Cleaning Mat for use with the AR-15. This, I had talked with Josh about this before. This is, it's a mat so that you lay it out. And see there, you can see part of it. So you can clean your gun. This is a cool. What do we got here? Beehive Bluetooth hose faucet timer. Okay, so that's interesting. I don't know how much this thing would be worth, but again, I think that's new in the box. Josh, you're putting some good stuff in here. I'm going to guess that's a $15 or $20 item, but we'll have to look it up. And we do have some shoes in there. We're going to get to those. Logitech, the Harmony Companion. Logitech, it tends to be decent. Look at that. That's all right there. So that appears to be new open box, whatever it is. Do you guys know what this is? I don't know what this is. But you don't have to know what things are to sell them. At least you don't have to know right away. You can look them up. Yep, and there's the remote underneath it. So we're going to look this thing up and see what it's worth, because truly I have no idea, but it feels like this could be the winner of the box. All right, what else we got in here? We got some shoes. These are some large Nikes. Let's see here. Size 15. Yeah. Try and get it to focus here. Yep, size 15. So some Flyknits here. I'm going to guess 20 bucks. I'm not sure. But I've sold this style of shoe before, 20, 25 bucks plus shipping. And pretty clean. So I could probably sell them as it, but there's a little bit on the bottom, right? So we'll wash them up a little bit. Then we've got some littles. These are some Air Jordans. So that's nice. All right, I like. And we got some Pumas here. So those are in good shape. I mean, of course they are, right? Like, he's not going to send me a bunch of junk. Not Josh. Okay, what do we got here? We got a Ray-Ban case. And there is something in there. Not Ray-Bans. There's the sunglass cleaning kit right there. So if you guys don't know, you can sell empty cases, and Ray-Ban is a high-end brand. So this empty case probably does, he didn't put it in here just to hold that stuff. This does have some value. Here we've got, this is a GameCube, I think. Yeah, this is a GameCube memory card. So that probably sells pretty quickly. And Josh throwing... Okay, Josh. My man. Okay, it's art, so we can put it on here, but it says heads I win. And tails you lose. Hard to get that in there. But this keychain? Nope. Okay, it's a lighter. And we still got juice, so... All right. Josh, my mom watches this. All right, what do we got? Oh, we got a Tommy here. Dive Charter. What is this? Got a Tommy jacket. That is cool. It's a size medium, so I don't get to keep it, but that's really cool. Dive Charter regulation. All right. Well, I got Tommy. There's a screw. I think these are like the little pieces to my fishing game. All right. What do we got here? What is this one? All right. That's a Greg Norman, and it's new at tags. Greg Norman is an okay brand. It sells. It does take a little while sometimes, but new with tags is always good, and it's a double X, which is also a good thing. And then last in the box, that's so cool. Look, it's old Transformers. Is it a pillowcase? It's a set of pillowcases from Transformers. Look at that. That is sick. Look at that. 1984 Hasbro. You got Bumblebee up there. Optimus Prime. I used to have that when I was a kid. The truck, the huge truck. Semi. It's probably worth a good amount now. That is cool. All right, so I did some comps, guys. There are none sold of these little retro throwback little kid Jordans, but there are only a handful listed, and they're listed right around 30, 35 bucks. So I think if we price competitively, we can get those to move. The Pumas, I'm not sure. I think about 20, 25 bucks or something like that. The Nikes, I'm thinking, maybe as much as 30 because it's a good size. Size 15 is going to maybe sit for a little while, but it'll sell because bigger sizes do sell on eBay. They absolutely do. So, and these, they need a little bit of cleaning up, but they'll clean super easy. So I think that is pretty solid. The Greg Norman, this is probably a, $25 free shipping shirt. Very easy. This we are keeping, but if we were selling this, it would probably be about 20 bucks on this guy. This, I was right. This thing is looking like about 20 bucks. This, flinging stuff off. This is about $15 plus shipping, 15 to 20 or so. It is still new. It's got the seal on there still. So very easy to list. I love stuff like that. That's super simple to list. This thing is the GameCube memory card, and it will sell really quickly for about 15 bucks, free shipping. That other Bluetooth thing will also sell very quickly. So that's nice. Unfortunately, the game was broken, so we did lose one in transit. This thing actually, believe it or not, this thing is vintage. I saw one listing describe it as World War II era, and you see a lot of coins, but you don't see a lot of lighters like this. So I bet this sells pretty fast. There's none listed right now, and I bet I can get about 25 bucks plus shipping out of this little piece. This is my favorite out of it. I think this is 25 or 30 bucks for the set of these Transformers pillowcases. And then the big winner money-wise is this, guys. This thing, even used, the slow reveal, even used, this thing will sell for 45, 50 bucks. So we should be able to get maybe upwards of 60, 70 bucks. Let's see if we look underneath. Yeah, I don't think it's new. Well, because usually it's not going to have the rubber band on it, right? This looks like factory. See, that's how you can kind of tell on these sometimes if it's got the original twisty tie. It does look like somebody took it out. So this is going to be new, or light. Sorry, this is going to be used, maybe like new. I'll have to test it out, see if it works. But easy, 45, 50 bucks on that one. So that's the box from Harry Tornado. I think we did good with that mystery box. Josh, thanks so much for picking all that stuff and throwing it in there. I'm excited to get some of this listed, excited to get some of it sold. Thanks for that. I sure appreciate it. We've got some other reseller boxes and packages coming up. I've got one from Nana Tink I've been hanging on to. A little bit of ephemera that she sent me a while back. I've been waiting to do something with it. That's going to be in here. We're going to have a little bit of a series of unboxings. And tonight, I just bought a vintage t-shirt box from Rally Roots. So that is coming. We're going to unbox some vintage tees. I'm super excited about those. I'm dying to see what Ryan put in that box. It's going to be awesome. Thanks for stopping by, guys. I sure appreciate it. Thumbs up. Hit that bell. That'll let you know when we put new stuff up, garage sales, trips, estate sales, what solds, that sort of thing. And comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you want to see more unboxings or if that's just something you're not into, that's okay. I want to put out here what you guys want to see. So I appreciate y'all, and we'll see you next time. Bye.